Hello everybody, I hope everybody's well. In my last video I said that in this one I'd be attempting to read your mind. I'd like as many people as possible to join in the fun. As I mentioned before, you will need a calculator or a phone with a calculator on it, a bit of paper and something to write with. If you haven't got those three things, if you can pause the video and run and get them. So what you'll need to do is to think of a random 4-digit number. Now make it as random as possible so there's no way I could possibly know what it was. Don't make it really obvious like 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've thought of your random 4-digit number, if you can write it down on your bit of paper, because you'll need it again in a minute, and if you write it down then obviously you won't be forgetting it. Once you've written it down on your bit of paper, you need to enter it into your calculator as a 4-digit number. I'll turn my head so that I won't be able to see you do it. And then you'll need to repeat that number. So for example, if your number was 1, 2, 3, 4, in your calculator it will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will need to enter into your calculator an 8-digit number, that's your 4-digit number, and then repeat it. Once you've done that, you will need to divide by 73. You may or may not need to press the equals button, depending on what sort of calculator you've got. And then you need to divide again by the 4-digit number that you started with. So in my case it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, but obviously it was the 4-digit number you started with. You may need to refer to a piece of paper if you can't remember what it was. If you then press equals, you should then end up with either a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number. If you've not ended up with either, I'll suggest that you pause the video and do the process again. If you have ended up with a 2 or 3-digit number, what I need you to do now is to say to yourself, by looking straight into the camera, whether it's a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number, by either saying to yourself 2 or 3. Right, I can tell that it's a 3-digit number. Okay. Again, if you can keep looking into the camera and make sure that you are saying to yourself over and over again what 3-digit number it is, because there are lots of 3-digit numbers. You need to help me out here. Okay, so if you can look into the camera, yes, you've given it away. I'm going to write it down. Okay, hopefully the number you're thinking of is this number. Let me know how you got on. Perhaps leave a message. In the meantime, look after yourselves and each other.